Hey friends, it's Jennifer Woolsey. Welcome to Wake Up in Makeup. We are going to do a quick mom makeup tutorial today and chat a little bit about pushing ourselves. Am I the only mom and woman in the world that feels like sometimes I need a little push? So let's talk about that. I've already gone in this morning and done my morning skincare regimen. I'm using our all-natural Farm RX line, the Barcholio Serum, and the Barcholio Eye Cream. I'm seeing great results, and the Super Greens facial moisturizer. I'm loving it. It's great. So I've already gone in this morning too and primed. I guess I should show you what I primed with. You should always prime before makeup. Prime and even out that skin tone, blur out those pores. Girlfriend has some spots. We're gonna cover them up. Don't worry about it. Okay, let's hop in. I've already gone in and done all of that stuff for prep work. So we are gonna do Cashmere Complexion Foundation in shade Cannoli today. So what do I mean by do you push yourself? I don't know, something has been off in me for the last couple weeks. I'm sorry I haven't been making videos like I normally do. And I was thinking last night, yesterday I needed like a refresher. Do you ever just need, I'm gonna add in a little bit of buttercream, just a little bit. Sometimes I just need like a recharge. And so yesterday I took that whole day, actually the whole weekend, with my family, and we just relaxed, planted a garden. It's been so fun, and just really recharged myself. And so I was thinking, I'm gonna use my blending brush here. Why do I feel like I've been so not as productive as normal? And I think it's because I wasn't taking a rest. I was just going nonstop and not really recharging those batteries. So I did that this weekend, and I'm already feeling like this morning I've been way more productive than I have been in a while. So the only way I know to get to my goals, like right now, my tribe and I, we are working on all expense paid trips to Hawaii. Hello, who doesn't want to go to Hawaii? It's definitely one of my bucket list things. So I need to kick in some extra work power, superwoman power, mom power, whatever you call it. Cashmere concealer in shade Matcha to help us get to that goal. And so once I had arrested mine last night, it was like this morning I woke up with this renewed spirit of, we are gonna do this. Let me get those spots. Let's get those spots. But this renewed spirit of, you know what? I have some new ideas, some creative ideas, and some ways to help us get to our business goals. And I think it's the same for life, right? For family goals, personal goals. Another thing with me is, if you haven't noticed, I had a really good weight loss last year. I was working with a personal health coach. She helped me revamp the way that I eat and, the way that I exercise and just move my body. And then I quit. And so now that weight has came back plus more. And my health journey has definitely been something I've been on for a long time. It's been a lifelong battle, I think, for me. But I will do really good for a while, and then I'll just get tired and fatigued and I'll quit. And so for me, I've got to figure out some strategies. Oh, I should have told you what I'm using. I'm using our Face Shop Tattoo pencil, brow pencil. Trying to not highlight these little spots on my face. But I think instead of me just going hard all the time, like going all the time, it's slowing down, making a plan that I can stick to and I can be consistent with, and taking small steps to achieve those goals. And so maybe that means I invest, 2 hours a day in reaching those goals, and I do my business full time. So, I have time to work with in the day, but I get distracted easily. Like TikTok will pop up on my phone and it's like, whoop, rabbit hole going down. So keeping that list close by and reminding myself that I have to stay on this plan if I'm going to push myself to make those goals happen. Better health, helping my team earn these trips to Hawaii, helping myself earn a trip to Hawaii, being a good leader, a good mentor, a good mom, a good wife, and really scheduling in all of that time for my family. Got my packages. Oh, I'm so sorry you're sick, Christina. I hope you feel better. Congratulations on your package. Okay. We're just going to put a little setting powder. I'm using Magic's Dust setting powder in. And so that all leads me to my promise to you guys. I'm probably not going to do lives every day, but I've decided I'm going to do Monday, Wednesday, Fridays coming to you live. I'm going to do a makeup tutorial with you guys, and the other days I may do like a TikTok video or an Instagram live or some other way. So if you're not following me on all the things, be sure that you follow on Facebook, Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz, on Instagram, Jennifer Woolsey, YouTube, Jennifer Woolsey, and then you can see all the things that I do if you care, if you want to join me. Okay, we're going to do our Face Shop Mono Pop in Corals this morning, and going to do just a pop of color on these eyes. Oh, I forgot my eye primer. That's okay. That's okay. We can still rock it. I love that light color. It's just such a good, subtle color. Just coloring the whole lid. So what's wrong? How are you sick? I hope it's not COVID. Yuck. Hey Google, turn down to 2. You're loud. Google is loud today. She is like, listen to me roar. Okay. Next, we're going to go in with our fluffy crease brush. And we are going to, let's pull a little pink in today. A little pink, and work that into our crease. My nose is itching. Itching nose. What does that mean? Somebody coming to see me? They're bringing me $1 million. Or, maybe they're not bringing me $1 million. Maybe my whole team's gonna earn a trip to Hawaii. Oh, and it's free to join us right now for a limited time. You can join us and you can earn a trip to Hawaii too. And I get to be your coach and your mentor. And I promise I'm very consistent in those areas. You know, anybody on my team, they're gonna tell you, this girl shows up consistently. And it's funny whenever you're trying to push yourself, how some areas of your life you'll find that you're really consistent. In other areas, it slips through easier, right? Okay, let's go in now. I'm going to pull a little of this coral and a little of this pink, kind of blend it. There we go. And to me, it's so easy to let things slip through. Mine is laundry. Ugh. Laundry is the death of me. I swear. It just slips through so easily and doesn't get done like it should. So that is on my list this week to make sure this is going to be a lighter look, but I think it's pretty. I hope you can see the colors good. It's really pretty. Okay, let's do a little liner. We're going to do our Super Extend liquid liner in black, and line those eyes out. I love this liquid liner. It goes on so smoothly. There we go. Yes, girl. Rocking it. Oh, girl. No fun. Headaches are no fun. Our allergens in Texas, we call it spring fever or cedar fever. And it got me down, it's been about 3 weeks ago, and that's when I think I quit being consistent with my videos because the cedar fever or the spring fever had kicked in. And oh my goodness, everything blooming was causing my head to hurt. I couldn't breathe. I got on some Claritin every day, and it was amazing. Within like 2 days of that Claritin being in my system, I was like, yes, I feel human again. It was awesome. So, might check out your allergies. See if it's something that simple. It really made a big difference. Okay, let's curl up these lashes. A little curly curl here. Okay, and then we're going to go in with Love Mascara and love on those lashes. Extend them, plump them, make them all pretty. That was the other thing. Whenever all the cedar, spring fever, whatever it was hitting me, oh my gosh, I couldn't even put makeup on. I was sneezing so hard that my eyes were like constant waterfalls. That's why I was doing lots of skincare videos because all I was doing was putting skincare on. So I think, you know, whenever it comes to pushing yourself, you have to figure out really what are your priorities, what things do you have to get done to move your life forward, your family forward, your business forward. Putting those priorities down. You know, guys know if you've been watching me anytime, I am a list maker. So I've got to put those 3 priorities down every day and make sure that those things are tackled, and then everything else I fill in is gravy. Look at those lashes. Yes, girl. Okay. Let's do some blush. I think today, since we kind of went corally and pink, we're going to do our Moisture Cushion in shade Pink and do a pop of pink on the cheeks. I mean, it's spring, right? Goes on kind of like watercolor. This little cushion, just pop it in. There we go. Yes, girl. All right. Let's do a pink birthday balm in shade Birthday Suit. We're just going pastel today. Okay. And then let's set it with some Fix and Mist. Let it dry down, and the makeup look is complete. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you have an amazing and a beautiful day. I hope that you find the priorities that you need to push yourself on, make your list, and make it happen. Have a great day. Thanks, guys.